Hello everyone, this is Annie. Welcome to my channel Annie's Calligraphy and Art. After practicing basic strokes, we are going to learn about assembling the letters. So you need a white paper with grid lines and a Tombow brush pen.
Assembling letters. Downstroke plus overturn. The downstroke must be thick. Start with thin stroke and end with thick stroke. You will get the letter N. Oval plus downstroke gives the letter A. Upstroke plus oval plus descending loop plus upstroke. First upstroke. Oval. Descending loop will start with a thick stroke and end with a thin stroke. Then a thin upstroke gives the letter G. Upstroke, ascending loop, compound curve. First, thin upstroke. Ascending loop will start with a thin upstroke, ends with a thick downstroke. Compound curve starts with a thin upstroke, comes down with a thick downstroke, and ends with a thin upstroke. This gives the letter H.
If you like my video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, post your feedback and queries in the comment section. Follow me on Insta. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.